Okay, so I'll just show the parenting of joints here. Just create simple setup here. Good, something like that. Duplicate it just to make a copy. And to create control rig, I'll try to create a circle. It could be a cube. I'll just do a circle here. Oops, so it could actually be anything. And I want this to control the knee. So I'm going to move it to the knee. Hold the V key, the middle mouse button drag to snap it. And I'll make a duplicate for the other one over here as well. So I'll show here how it doesn't work. What we're going to use is a little trick. So I'll open up the outliner. Good. And I need to make sure shapes are visible here, because I need to parent the shape. So I go to select the shape, and I shift select what I want to parent it under. And if I then go parent minus S minus R, you can see that I will get this one. Yep. So I'll get this actually controlling my knee, just like I want it. But it's oriented a little bit weird. I could fix this by just going to control vertices and selecting them. Just go, actually hover is easier. There, and then just rotate them into position, and then okay, so that'll work as well. But to make this work in a simple way, I'll show it over here. Just snap it to the leg, then I'll parent that into the leg. Just go parent, good. And what I'll do is now I'll freeze transformations. We can see that the transformations updated here. So I go modify freeze transformations, good. And then I need to just unparent this. Middle mouse button drag there. And then I'll select the shape here, there, and the leg. And I go parent minus S minus R. Good. And that's it. So basically now what we have is a joint that has a NURBS selection. And this can of course be made any way you like. So if you want to make this look any specific way, you can do that. And you can basically use any type of geometry. So if we are going to do it for the leg up here, I'm going to create a cube. It's going to pop it up there. Good. Just make this have a shape I like. So maybe something like this. This could be a hip, right? Good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to parent it here. Parent. Good. And I'm going to freeze the transformations for this. Good. And I'm going to unparent it. I'm going to select the shape. I'm going to select the bone. And I'm going to go parent minus S minus R. There we go. And now we have a bone up here where we have a selection, and that can select that as well. And if we create something like an IK handle, it'll work as well. So you can see it'll work just fine. You can see right now if I shade this, I'll have the shaded. This will actually render. So to get rid of that, go to the shape, open up the attribute editor, go to the render stats, just untick all of these. Don't want it to do anything. And if you only want it to be wireframe in the viewport, no matter what, you go to the object display and drawing overrides, and say enable override and display type to normal, or you can set it to one of the other ones, but turn off shading and texturing, and then no matter if you're in wireframe or in shaded mode, it'll just be drawn as an outline and it won't render if you render the scene. So if I render this, see, completely empty, nothing in here. So that's it.